I'm on a plane. And thankfully, this one has no snakes on it. And I'm traveling to the city of surfing, celebrities, and Surronster. But the reason I'm actually here is because I'm on a lovely vacation with my girlfriend. Aww. But my OG friend recently moved from Pennsylvania to LA to chase his dreams of being a hand model. So I figured while I'm here, why not see him? So I'm leaving my sweet little mini home, kissing my girlfriend goodbye for the morning, and hopping into an Uber. Connor?
Hey, how are you?
To Elysian Park, where I will be taking delivery of my ride for the day.
That's right, ConnorG back on a XXX. We got James. What up, G? We got Hayden.
In the building.
Zappy here.
What up?
On the Rizzler Sport. We have Mr. Jim.
What up? Pleasure.
So the beautiful LA, I don't even know where we're gonna ride, but we got everybody outside. Rizzler Sport, James, Hayden, Zappy, Jim. This is gonna be sick. So I've never ridden e-bikes in LA. I've ridden motorcycles in LA before once. And I rode up Mulholland Drive. That's like big for like, you know, the gas bikes, whatever. Here we are, LA. No gloves. On Hayden's XXX. Shout out all the homies. Hayden drove far to meet me here and let me use his bike. Zappy let me use his helmet. So this is a real quick impromptu ride. Can we swerve it? All right, I think we're gonna go to like the observatory or something. This is so sick. To be able to ride in LA, you know, everyone sees all the videos of people in LA. Whoa, people in LA. I ain't got no grip here. So to be riding here now, it's kind of surreal, to be honest. It's so dry here too. It's like you do see some green, but it's not that green, bro. Very much a dry place. I guess that's why they have all these fires. I don't know where's that. Where did they go? Do we just go down this? Yo, look at that. It's just a straight drop to the highway. There they are. Oh, no front brake, gotta chill. Woo! We got the combos now. This is so crazy, dude. Stand-ups on the XXX. Oh, I think I've seen this on a video before too. Dude, that 8 kilowatt Rizzler Sport is powerful, man. It picks up its speed. It's going 27. Oh, is that jump I see people eat shit on all the time?
Yeah,
oh, this one too. That's a booter, dude. These are booter. What do people hit these on? Just Surons? Do people hit these on bicycles? Yeah, I saw that video. That was crazy. I'm a trials rider. What can I say? You. No front brake is a little sketchy. It's like off-road trails, and then you have the city, the street. It's a very diverse place to ride. Mountains, water, sand, city. Where'd the Schuylkill go? Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, and Xfinity Live is literally like around.
Go birds, dickhead. Yeah, it's clapped. The front forks, bro. Look at them. You hear that? It's probably leaking. I mean, yeah, bro. Look at all of that. Oh, I think I've seen this place in videos too. It's crazy. Another place I've seen in videos.
Check it out over here.
Oh, there's a stadium. Dodgers.
This is Sunset Ground.
Fire.
And now it's a chilly day, but like normally, it's just fucking packed. This park, Elysian, gives me heavy Belmont vibes.
Oh, for real. People come up here and chill. Just how freaking beautiful is this, dude? Ripping circle wheelies at the top of this shit? Vegan ramen. Oh my god. That sounds awesome.
Doesn't it sound like a letdown?
Alright, and we're off from the little helipad. I think we're gonna go get bagels or something. This is just such a vibe. I don't care what we do. Having a good time with the homies. Yup. There we go. Oh, he's dropping back. Yes. Yeah, all those gunshots are from the firing range, I guess. Bro, that sounds like North Philly on a Tuesday night.
Yeah, it's the police academy right there.
Huh. Oh, it's a coyote. Look at this thing. Is that a fox? Wasn't it a coyote? Where are the mountain lions? He's actually dropping back too on the Ultra B, the big bike. You've grown, my young Padawan. Yeah, Rizla. Yup. Oh, the right knee knock. Oh, little combo, little switch up, back over. Now we can get some traffic work. That's where you'd have the meetups, right? The e-skate meetups. The one thing I do notice about this XXX after having not ridden one for a while, and mine being 72 volt, is I do like the 60 volt. It's not bad power, all things considered, but it doesn't have that crazy torque that you get out of a 72 volt, but it's still such a good bike. But nowadays you can buy even better bikes for the same price of a XXX that are like 72 volt and more powerful than like 8.5 kilowatts, but XXX still is a good bike, no denying it. And it stood the test of time as far as reliability. Hayden doesn't do any work on this thing and it's still going. Oh, this is like LA's Reading Terminal. Have you ever seen the movie National Treasure?
As they say, terminology Reading.
Oh, Terminology Reading, because we're in California. They have juice here.
And they label it because everyone's too private.
Yo, they make coffee here?
And they have juice.
No way. Okay, little wannabe Reading Market done. Back on the bikes. Alright, Skid Row to find Hayden's girlfriend. Dessert.
Hey, fellas, how y'all doing, man?
Yeah. Proper downtown, dude. Woo! Between the cars. Now this looks like LA. So I guess this is 6th Street, aka Skid Row, where we're coming up on it. But it looks like they're doing a cleanup at this point. I don't even know.
I'm glad we did the Talaria.
Dude, me freaking too. Wow. Wow. Just burned up shit. It's nuts, bro. Downtown LA. Definitely not as pretty as the rest of LA, if we're being real here. I think this is the famous bridge, right? This is the one everyone's doing all their wheelies on, getting all their clips. I'm kind of goated on the XXX, I think. I miss it. But we did it. Alright, we're gonna get brake fade if we do this too much. Yeah, it's so funny. I've seen all of these places in different videos. And I played them in GTA. Dude, where are we? We're along like, I forget what this is called, but that little ditch thing with the water, like the storm drain or whatever. Crazy. What the fuck, James? Ready? It's hard to stand on that in a straight line though. Like, it's much easier to stand on it in a circle. That guy's chill. I like that guy. Gave us no problems hanging out here for a bit. Good vibes so far in LA. Hollywood shit. I thought I was riding onto a movie set for a second.
You were. Yeah, you were. It wasn't just a thought, you were.
I'm like, is that the... I didn't know you went that way at first. I'm like, am I going the right way? Wow, so look at it, dude. Uh-oh. Was he just yelling at you for your wheelie?
I didn't even, was he behind us?
Yeah. Look at this view. The GoPro probably doesn't do it justice, but this is a nice view. Okay, we are back on the mountain. So this is the Death Trail. 28, I'm at 19. Let's go. Death Trail to take us home. Hayden, you want to finish this? Well, we couldn't see the Hollywood sign, unfortunately, but that's okay. This would be a nice way to finish this off here. So sick riding this city, though, I cannot lie. And I gotta give a huge shout out to Zappy for the helmet, Hayden for the XXX, James and Jimbo for the vibes. So fun. I'll be back here for sure. We just did a little taste. This was all done in like 2 hours in the morning. Oh my. I only have a front or a rear brake too. There's a little cliffside right there. You can see the cliff down there. The Death Trail. I guess we go right. Oh, I see what they're saying. A little cliff drop right here. This is crazy. What the hell? Zappy looking cinematic as fuck right now. All right, now we just ride along the cliff here, I guess. And I gotta remember that I have no front brake and I'm on a supermoto. Whoa! This is nuts. Straight cliff right there. That's crazy. I would be worried about the ticks, but I don't really think there's many ticks out here. Might be too warm, not enough rain. I don't know. I could be wrong, but I think like a lot of the tick population is majorly in the Northeast. You 15. Hello. I thought you fell off the cliff for a second.
For a minute, and I like held on.
But it's like I knew I wouldn't be able to help you, so I just kept going. Prime, dude, that was a good ass time. And I got to freaking ride a XXX. Got to hang out with the homies. Good, it's a good time.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. See you next year.
Yeah.
He's gonna eat shit.
Oh, he is gonna eat shit. Don't do it, don't do it.
Hello? Yeah, this is Rouse Ross. We got 100,000 likes for 100,000 subscribers? For ConnorG? For ConnorG? Okay,
But-
on the way.
100K giveaway.
100K giveaway. Every single subscriber gets a bike. Every single one. Every single one. There's no giveaway. There's nothing to enter. Like, you're just going to get one.
Thank you so much, Ronster Rides.
You're so welcome. Subscribe to ConnorG Media if you're not already.
And Hex. Is it Talaria still? Yeah. Hex.Talaria.